Hi, today we're going to take a look at the ellipsoidal or ERS instrument. These are instruments like this Altman Shakespeare ellipsoidal or this Altman Zoom ellipsoidal, similar to the Source 4 ellipsoidal that you might have in venues where you work. The ellipsoidal gets its name because it has an ellipsoidal shaped reflector. That's where ERS comes from. ERS for short actually stands for ellipsoidal reflector spot. So you'll hear this instrument called either ellipsoidal or ERS. The lens is what makes this instrument special within the event production instruments. The lens allows the instrument to be focused. The plano-convex lens, which is as if there was a sphere of glass, had been shaved right off the end there, goes in front of the lamp and allows us to create the shape of the beam, hard or soft. Now, because this instrument has a plano-convex lens, the light energy generated from the lamp is sent out, pushed forward by the reflector, which reflects it forward to the front of the instrument. And when it hits the lens, the light energy from the top is bent towards the middle, and the light energy from the bottom is bent up. The same on the right and left. Once the light energy hits the lens and is focused, it continues through. And when we get to some of these other features, it means that the beam is flipped. Let's take a look at a few of the features that the focusability of the ellipsoidal allows this instrument to have. First of all, it is focusable. And when we take a look at the beam, we can change the edge and appearance of that beam from a nice fuzzy edge all the way through to something that's very, very focused and has a clean edge. Because we can focus this, we can also shape the beam by adjusting these shutters, these 4 tabs here on the side, and we will, as we slide them in, we are shaping the beam and can square it or make it any shape needed for that production. Lastly, the focusability allows us to get into a set of accessories. This accessory is a gobo, short for go-between. This pattern inside the frame goes between the lamp and the lens and can be focused so that we can clearly see the image. Beyond the focusable features of the ellipsoidal, there's a couple more we would take a look at. The color of the output can be changed by using a gel in a gel frame. The gel filters out all of the wavelengths of light except this color blue. We move the safety tab, raise it up, and we can guide the frame in. And now our light output has the color of our gel. Another feature of the ellipsoidal is that after we shape it, we have the ability to turn the entire barrel to help that shape match what we need. If the lighting designer needs it cut specifically in a certain spot and we aren't able to reach that with just the shutters, turning the barrel gets it done. The last thing we'll look at on this ERS is a door right here on the front. We loosen the thumb screws and open the gap here. This is our iris slot. An iris is an accessory that looks like this that can make the beam larger or smaller. And it would slide right in there. Other accessories will use that same spot, like this gobo rotator that would accept gobos just like our other pattern, and the motor here on top would spin those and create additional texture within our lighting design. So there it is, the ellipsoidal or ERS instrument.